Hello guys, welcome back to the live stream. Are you ready to make some money? Let's make some money today. Let's make some money. So, it's 18th of September, Thursday. We're trading NASDAQ, UK 100, FTSE, and gold. We're gonna go through the red folders we had. I'm gonna show you what was the impact. There was impact on GBP and FTSE. Apart from that, nothing scary. I'll show you what I'm looking at. This is very low. To the right, there we go. Let's see if I have everything here. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. How you doing, guys? Anything interesting? Anything interesting to say? Let's jump on the charts and let me show you what happened. So, gold. IDR 5 minutes. Basically, on gold, we closed above and we were moving very good. And I'm showing you once again why we are marking those areas. Asia high, it got swept. It played around. And we see a down movement now from there. So this is why it's so important. The orb did a great job on the gold. But yeah, basically DR closed above, we swept Asia high, and now we're coming down. What do we expect? Ideally, we want to see taking Asian lows and reversing, going for all-time high, previous day high, news high, every type of high. It's right here for gold, right here. So we need to take it. If not today, we're gonna take it tomorrow. Okay, let's see the bigger time frame. Show you something interesting. Now we couldn't stay above this inverted. We couldn't stay above this fair value gap. So at the moment we're bearish, but once we get to this area here, we tap this area, we might look for some buys, and this is exactly where the the Asian lows are. So let's hope we're gonna make it here and come back fast and strong than ever. But for now, the price action on the bigger time frame is bearish, so we need to be careful with those buys. Yeah, we need to be careful. We need to be careful when we're buying gold. Let's see how the DR went here. So on NQ, orb played out beautifully. DR played out beautifully. Very strong move. We created new all-time highs after new all-time highs, but there is something interesting, and this is this SMT we have. Let's make it 15 minutes so you can see it even better. Okay, so you see them highs here. Nobody took them. Nobody took them. This is the all-time high here for S&P 500, while we created new all-time high here on NQ. So what is this? No, this is called SMT. There we go. So because of this SMT, we are a bit bearish. We'll see if we manage to destroy it. On the bigger time frame, of course, we're going to be very bullish despite this 4-hour candle. The next 4-hour candle which will open will determine the whole move. We can expect to come down to this fair value gap or this fair value gap, and then we can see for buys. This will be the ideal situation. We'll see what's going to happen. We have some lows here, London lows, Asia lows from 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7. So we're bullish, but we need to be careful with this SMT. SMT make us bearish. So with 50-50 here, we take all kind of highs. We have new highs. I forgot, it's very important. You know, Asia highs, I'll take them out here. I forgot to put, boom. What is this? London high. Asian lows and London lows are almost at the same level. Well, you know, when we have that kind of two lows stacked together, they're like double magnet. They're double more orders there. We're going down, we're going down. We have 4 more minutes. Let's mark our key areas right here. London high and London low. Good, good, good. This small fair value gap. Beautiful. Beautiful work. Just where London low is. FTSE. FTSE did something interesting. This is where the news dropped and it brought some volume. You can't lie, it brought some volume. But if we see the DR, 5 minutes, we managed to close above. It came to the middle, it dropped a bit, but it couldn't went to the other side. Oh, I'm gonna delete your OG has did his job once again. This OG that we left, push it higher, and now it's coming down slowly. What can we expect? It's a bit tricky situation here. I think we're gonna take previous day high and we're gonna storm down. This is my prediction, to be honest, because if we see the bigger time frame, there we are. So I'm saying we're gonna go higher, collect all those highs, and tap this fair value gap. Why not this inverted, and then collect all this liquidity? You look, doom, so much liquidity. Because in general, look what we do: down move, taka, down move, taka. Now it's turned for down move. Or if we manage to break above this area, we are very bullish. But for now we are bearish as well. Look at 4 hours, we're doing exactly the same. Until here we can fall. This is, let me see, 4 hours. Duxing, nothing interesting. Makes bigger moves, to be honest. Right, 1 more minute to the market open. Anybody want to say something? Anything? Fair value girl, hello. How are you doing? Hello traders, welcome. I'm a bit sleepy for some reason. Welcome. How is the audio? Oh, you know what? I put the mic. I don't know how you hear me. Were you able to hear me by now? For fuck's sake. The mic was on the other side of the room. I think now should be better. Now it should be just perfect. Okay, let's move to 1 minute. Close the DR area. We don't want to see that anymore. We're gonna do it everywhere. Oh, everywhere, everywhere. And we're gonna move to 1 minute. That's it. That's it. We're back to the OG. And we have market open. We tap the OG. Let's see. Let's see. Are you gonna cook us again? We'll cook you. Strange, the audio was alright. That's strange. It was a bit far away, to be honest. Now it's perfect. We haven't got trade on gold for a very long time. I think we should start thinking about it. What we can see here. Okay, second candle, market open. OG. Last time OG got us cooked. Yeah, we were shorting somewhere here. We were shorting. Okay. Recently, what FTSE is doing, if the first candle is black, you can short. It's going down, down, down. If it's green, you can buy. You'll keep going up, up, up. Thank you. He's making barcode moves. This is the third candle. Goldie. Are we gonna collect this liquidity now? I have a feeling we're gonna short FTSE again. I just have a feeling we're gonna short it. Okay. For some crazy reason, NQ is finding support on those Asian highs. Dun, dun, twice. Okay, this is the last candle. We might see the same situation as before. We're gonna close above and we're gonna target the London highs and the all-time high. Just what happened into the morning session. This is exactly what happened. If something like this happened, we're gonna place our entry here. Our stop loss below those lows, somewhere here. FTSE, are you mad? What you gonna do? Why this is not turning on? What? your idea? Are you gonna stay below? You know, guys, we need to catch this sale. We need to catch this sale. It's gonna be at some point today or tomorrow, but we need to get this sale. We'll get it, I'm telling you, we'll get it. So we have the small orb. Goat. We have the small orb. If anybody don't know what is orb, orb stands for opening range breakout. ORB, opening range breakout. Basically, we mark the first 5 minutes or the first 15 minutes. That means the first 5 candles on 1 minute or the first 3 candles on 5 minutes. And we're basically waiting for a breakout from this area, and that gives us the narrative where the session might go after that. Okay, thank you. Whoa. FTSE turn around like crazy. Now you remember this SMT we have? Yeah, we still have it. And now we created a very small SMT from below. Which is not of that big of importance as the one above. Just to let you know, we have candle closure above on FTSE. Now the question is, should we try Nasdaq if it managed to close above, or we should wait for the 15-minute? But it could be late because it can take London highs, and it could be late. Gold is falling apart. I like how it falls, really. Let's wait for retracement. We might catch this sell on gold to the London lows. Let's see if we're gonna get a retracement. We don't have any fair value gap or whatsoever, but we might get one now with this candle. And if the next candle comes back, we might look for it. There we are. 5 minutes. I want to say this is 5 minutes. Everybody should know that. It's 5 minutes. Let's see. NQ is turning around. So we collect liquidity from here. We haven't marked our London lows here and our London highs. What a 5-minute candle. Okay, NQ is falling. Gold is running. Gold is running away. Gold is running. There's no coming back. NQ is falling. We have a change of character here. There's value gap inside. Let's see if DAX managed to get the lows. No, there's no SMT. DAX couldn't get the lows as well. So we don't have SMT. Okay, we don't have SMT from below. But we have SMT with Asian lows. You know that? Yeah, we have SMT with Asian lows. Even with those lows here. London lows, I'm sorry. The Asian London lows. This SMT on the top, it's too obvious, isn't it? It's too obvious. Gold. Today gold is doing great orbs. And it just fell down without a stop. As we spoke in the beginning of the session, those London lows and Asian lows stacked together so close. It's like, imagine you're very hungry and you have a juicy donut in front of you. You're gonna run for it, don't you? You're gonna. So gold did the same. Now, we might open our eyes for any kind of unicorn here after we swept all the lows. London lows out of the game. Asia lows out of the game. So we hit our target. This was the juicy donut. Maybe we had to enter here with this candle. Beautiful opportunity. Let's see. Yeah. 1 point something, 1.88, not bad, not bad. Look at these candles. Ooh. Gold is melting at the moment. Yeah, gold is melting. Enku is going for those London lows. Okay, right now we have our 15-minute orb. Enku hit one of the targets. London lows. And we have our orb here. We have our gold orb, which is massive, more or less. And this is the first green candle for a long time. Gold just melted. Almost 1% for the day. Tough one, that's tough. Let's see how we're gonna react from this inverted. Buying opportunity for FTSE. Okay, I like how gold reacts. I like how gold reacts here. Let's see where we are on 1 hour. Okay, we collected some liquidity. Let's see where we are on 4 hours. Okay, let's see where this 4-hour candle gonna close in 11 minutes. Or we came to the area of interest where we wanted to be. Okay, if UK 100 close like this, we might look for a retracement. Now the stop will be under the orb. Let's see how. Show the lines. Okay, it's for long. Stop loss 9208, somewhere there. Yeah, it's gonna close very good, but by the look of it, it's gonna just explode from here. Yeah, it's gonna explode by the look of it. And we're gonna miss our entry. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we're turning around here. I like how gold is making this structure. Okay, okay. Very simple, very easy. This might be a trap, I'm telling you. This might be a trap. It might keep on melting. Doesn't look bad now. This one is bullish as well. Yeah, gold is very bullish. For 6 to 8. It's gonna be the stop loss if we enter anyway here. If we're gonna keep this fair value gap, this is a good point for entry of FTSE. Gold recover a lot. Recover a lot. We need to see something. We need to see how it returns. Okay, we need to see a couple of black candles. Maybe here it's a good point. Because we have this inverted and this fair value gap. Let's see how it's gonna react. Oh, we are melting again. That's a big candle. If we manage to bring that candle back, that's a big candle, guys. Let's see on FTSE now. It's very interesting. If we come inside this fair value gap, just like that. Yeah, I'm in on FTSE. I'm in on FTSE. The entry is... Where is the entry? Nine two 9230. That's the entry right here. Stop loss, it's right here. And TP, yeah, we'll see for TP. We're gonna go break even after we get those, if we get those highs. We're gonna go to break even. Okay, we're in on FTSE. Let's see on gold. Let's see on gold because it's very interesting there what's going on. Okay, I'm gonna hit the toilet and I'll be back, yeah. Yeah, I'm back. We should be running. Yeah, we're running good. We're running good. God is running good as well. Okay, FTSE is running good. Let's see what gold is all about. Very strong push. Once again. Okay, FTSE is taking off. I like to see that. Very good candles. Yeah, somewhere here on those highs, it's our break even. This is how the trade looks like. Yeah, it's going pretty good. Very soon we're moving to break even. Yeah, one last push, you can go break even. Thank you, is falling from above. Gold is moving strong, guys. Did we take them? Very close. Look at gold. If we retrace to this fair value gap and we manage to stay again above it, this time we're gonna enter. This time we're gonna enter. Let's see, did we manage to take them? Yes, I think we managed. Let me see here. What I'm doing. Almost. Either way, I'm gonna move it to break even. I think we did 0.40 something, 48, exactly 48. 0.2 pips, I don't want the risk. Come on, man. Okay, come on. That's it. Looking good on 5. Okay, NQ close above. Like a textbook. He took the London lows and now he's going for the London highs. Textbook. Gold is doing something similar. It went for London lows and Asian lows and now it's making gray structure. Very good rejection from the orb trades, which are pretty good trades as well. When you take the target from below and you get rejection from the orb, it's again a solid confirmation, don't you think? and if you have target above. So this one is looking good, really. Thank you. Basically, this was your trade here on this fair value gap. This was your trade because you have change of character here. You have inverted and fair value gap at once as well. You have change of character, fair value gap, tap in, and this is your trade when the candle starts going out. Exactly 2R. Depends where you put your stop loss. Yeah, to the Asian highs, so not bad at all. Let's see how FTSE is going. Okay, we're not doing bad, guys. We are risk free. Yeah, we just hit our 0.5, so the criteria for break even has been met. Good push. And right now we are taking the London highs. Right now we're taking the London highs. DAX is far away from that. This is the London highs of DAX. So we're gonna have SMT here. Yeah, we almost hit the London highs. Gold is just so tempting, really. I can't find an entry. We missed the entry here. FTSE is making interesting candles. Let's see the bigger time frame on FTSE. Yeah, this is a bit frightening. We're entering this area where we want to sell. Yeah, this is a bit frightening. Yeah, we can go a bit higher. We can go a bit higher. If we need to put TP on 2R, it's gonna be 1.5 2R. That's pretty high, isn't it? Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's pretty high. Okay, we can say that we took the London highs. So let's see if we're gonna have any reaction. Previous day high is very close. We are break even from this trade. Oh, sorry. Break even. We are running at 0.65, which is not great. There we go. NQ has taken those highs, so if you enter here and you target those highs, 1 to 2 is just below those lows. Very good trade we missed here. Very good trade. Textbook. Once he starts hesitating around those highs, which I don't like. Very good trade. London highs and all-time highs as well. Beautiful. Rejection from the or below. Swept off London low. Tap the fair value gap that tapped today. It went out beautifully on 5 minutes. It made change of character, fair value gap inside. A+ setup here in front of our eyes. I'm gonna mark it again for you. 1 to 2. To the highs right here. A+ setup. Come on, FTSE. Gold gave another buying option here. Yeah, very good uptrend momentum for gold. Good trade, really. Come on, FTSE, you need to take previous day highs at least. We took the Asian London lows, but this is not enough. Thinking if it starts, because this is very bad pattern now after the London high swept. I think if it goes above those lows here, I'm gonna close it. Small profit, but it's something better than break even, to be honest. I don't want to see it going above the below those lows. I want to see breaking above those highs, aiming for previous day high. Yeah, look how it flipped this candle. Price really struggles here. How it looks on 5 minutes. Yeah, we don't want to see, let me show you. We don't want to see flipping this candle black. I'm gonna move my stop loss. Under this candle. Because if we flip this candle, I don't want to be in this trade anymore. We took the London highs. If we keep going higher, we're gonna trail stop this trade. Because if we take the previous day high, if we don't see a massive push, it will come back. NQ is strong, guys. NQ is just strong. New all-time highs. Despite this SMT, we're making new SMTs. That's why we didn't enter on this trade, because of the SMT. We open new hour candle now. Okay, go for the previous day high. Come on. You can take it. Soon we're gonna close the DR IDR window. There is this candle and one more candle. Okay, on the smaller time frame, gold is now bearish. Is it 238? 238.27, that's correct. That was a solid push, but it needs one more candle like that and gonna take the previous day high. Well, this push is history now. We got the same black candle. Too much playing around. It should take the previous day heights. It's very close. Gold. Oh, he's coming back down by the look of it. So if we entered here somewhere, we're gonna be break even probably. But NQ, very good trade, very good trade. We need to stop seeing this barcode move. We need a solid move. How much we made to the previous day high? 0.8. I can't believe it. Just take it. This is not a random. It's previous. Yeah, it's previous day high. Just take it. What is this all about? Good job, Nasdaq. Nasdaq is moving so good. Let's see, this is painful to watch. Take it. Exactly. Take it. Just take it. I put the TP on 0.4. Yeah, it's coming for us. If it takes it, it will close above the DR IDR as well, and it will be great. But we might see a reversal from the DR IDR, the same logic as we have for the orb. It's very close now to our stop loss. You take us out any second. Or break even, we might say. A small profit actually. Yeah, we waited for so long, and just with 4 candles, it'll come back down. And that was painful. It didn't take it in the end. Yeah, we're out. We're out. Okay, so we have change of character here. We have fair value gap inside. Thinking about something like this. Short here. Something like this. Nine two five three. 9253. Let's see how the price gonna react now around our area. It tapped the breaker, but it didn't tap our fair value gap. So I'm still waiting. Still waiting here. It tapped the smaller fair value gap. I think the move will start now. I think the big drop will start now. Yeah. Yeah, good drop. Good drop. Well, we saw it. We couldn't enter. We saw it. Oh. I'm gonna give it a couple more candles and nah, beautiful drop. Look at that. Look at this drop. 1.5 R. If it gives us another opportunity, we'll enter. If it gives us another opportunity, we'll do. Well, it doesn't give an option, so I think we're gonna finish here. It was a good session. We could catch a couple of better moves, but still, it was a good session. Okay, guys, thank you for being with me. If you have, I'll stay a couple for if you have questions, couple of seconds. If you have any questions. Oh. Okay, if you don't have, again, thank you for being with me, and see you next time. Tomorrow morning, definitely, and tomorrow New York session, I'm not sure, probably, we'll see, but tomorrow morning, it's Friday tomorrow. Yeah, it's Friday. Okay, guys, see ya.